Good morning, students. Welcome to Science Virtual Classes. Yesterday, we have discussed protein carbohydrate deficiency disease. Now, today, we have continued the chapter Food and Health to different deficiency disease. Today, I have discussed mineral deficiency disease. On the screen, you have seen the different minerals name like calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, potassium, iron, and others include iodine, zinc, copper, sulfur, chloride, etc. These are the some minerals which are present in our body in small amount. Deficiency of the different minerals in our body lead to the improper functioning of the different parts of the body. In previous video, you have seen what is the role of minerals in our body. Minerals are called the protective food and they are required in very limited little quantity, but they play the important role in our body. Minerals protect us from different types of the infection and different types of the disease. So here I am discussed some minerals minerals and their deficiency and symptoms which are in your syllabus. First one is iron. Food sources of iron are egg yolk, meat, spinach, dry fruits, whole grains. These are the some sources of food. Iron food. And what is the function of iron in our body? Helps make hemoglobin in red blood cells. Okay, question arising, what is hemoglobin? Hemoglobin is a pigment found in blood which transport oxygen and provide red color to bloods. Like same as plant have the chlorophyll pigment which is required for leaves that make the food for the plant. Same as hemoglobin is also the red color pigment which transport the oxygen and provide the red color of our cells. Second one function is help cells used oxygen. What are the disease that is the deficiency of iron? Disease is anemia. Iron deficiency disease is anemia, and anemia how it play. Anemia usually refer to a condition in which your blood has a lower than normal number of RBC. Iron is an essential mineral that is needed to form hemoglobin and oxygen carrying protein inside RBC. RBC means red blood cells. Iron deficiency anemia is a condition in which the body lacks enough red blood cells to transport oxygen rich blood to body tissues. That is the anemia. What are the symptoms of this anemia disease? Anemia, a person look weak and pale, get tired very easily, white nails, loss appetite, fatigue, headache, irregular heartbeat, chest pain, cold hand, yellowish skin, leg cramp, dizziness. These are the some symptoms of iron deficiency disease anemia person. Second mineral is calcium and phosphorus. Calcium and phosphorus both have play the same role in our body, and food sources are we have take these calcium and phosphorus most probably in the dairy product like milk, cheese, green leaf vegetables, and other processed fish eaten with bones. These are the food sources. What is the function? What is the role of the calcium and phosphorus in our body? Helps build and maintain the healthy bones and teeth. Helps heart, nerve and muscles work properly. And what deficiency is caused by the calcium and phosphorus? It is the osteoporosis. In your book, disease name is not mentioned, so you write the name of the disease in your book. What are the symptoms of calcium phosphorus deficiency disease? A person, weak teeth, lose their shine and whiteness, weak, soft and fragile bones, rough skin, insomnia, tooth decay, head sweating, brittle nails and muscle cramps. These are the symptoms of calcium phosphorus deficiency disease. Next one is iodine. Iodine. What are the sources? Rich sources of iodine: organic strawberry, sea veggie and normal salt. Salt which we have take in our food. And what are the symptoms of iodine deficiency disease? Fatigue, constipation, soreness, depression, goiter, dry skin. These are the some symptoms and sign of iodine deficiency disease. Another some symptoms are also shown by some people in iodine deficiency disease: swelling in the neck region, unexpected weight gain, fatigue and weakness, hair loss, dry flaky skin, change in the heart rate, troubling learning. These are the some other symptoms that is shown by the iodine deficiency disease. Iodine deficiency disease disorder is goiter. Goiter means enlargement of the gland in neck. Which gland? This gland is the thyroid gland, which is situated in our neck region. Here see the picture of a woman. There in neck region, goiter means enlargement of the thyroid gland in the neck portion. Students, today we have discussed the mineral deficiency disease. In your syllabus there are only mentioned the 4 minerals: iron, calcium, phosphorus and iodine. And tomorrow we will meet again a new next nutrient sources which cause the deficiency disease. Thank you so much.